Australia's top-selling vehicle for the past 7 years, the Toyota HiLux Ute is due for a major makeover in 2025, according to confidential plans uncovered by Drive. The next-generation Toyota HiLux is due in Australian showrooms before the end of 2025, pending any delays, Drive has learned. After unearthing Toyota HiLux is due to be unveiled in the first half of 2025, ahead of arrivals in Toyota Australia showrooms in the second half of the year. However, this timing is subject to change due to any unforeseen delays. Few technical details are known about the next Toyota HiLux, including whether it will have the option of turbo diesel V6 power, as the Japanese car giant is notoriously secretive when it comes to future model plans, and the vehicle is still years from showrooms.